Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad you're here. If you've been investing for any length of time, you've probably heard about SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. But here's something most people miss: SCHD has a secret weapon that's quietly made it one of the most respected, most reliable, and most frequently bought ETFs among dividend investors. In this video, we'll break down exactly what that secret weapon is, how SCHD continues to outperform, and why so many investors keep adding more, even during volatile markets. So, sit back, grab your favorite drink, and let's uncover why SCHD has become a cornerstone of so many long-term portfolios. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's start at the beginning. SCHD was launched by Charles Schwab in 2011, and at first, it wasn't an overnight success. The dividend ETF market was already crowded, with heavy hitters like VIME, DVY, and SPY dominating the space. But SCHD brought something different to the table. Instead of chasing the highest yields, it focused on quality. The ETF tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index, which selects companies with at least 10 consecutive years of dividend payments and ranks them by financial strength. To make the cut, a company has to score high on return on equity, free cash flow to debt ratio, dividend growth over time, and consistent earnings performance. This meant SCHD wasn't just picking dividend payers, it was picking financially disciplined companies. It's this disciplined, rules-based approach that forms the backbone of SCHD's long-term success. Now, let's talk about SCHD's secret weapon, the one thing that truly separates it from other dividend ETFs. It's the perfect balance between quality, yield, and growth. Most ETFs lean heavily in one direction. Some chase high yields and end up with weak companies. Others focus on growth but offer tiny dividends. SCHD manages to strike that rare middle ground, giving investors a healthy 3.5% 4% yield, strong dividend growth, and market-beating total returns. Here's how it works: high-quality holdings. SCHD owns around 100 blue-chip companies, including Texas Instruments, Broadcom, Home Depot, PepsiCo, and Amgen. These companies have proven themselves through decades of consistent performance. Dividend growth engine: SCHD's 5-year dividend growth rate has been around 12 to 13%, that's huge. It means investors not only collect income today, but their income grows faster than inflation. Low cost, high efficiency: the ETF's expense ratio is just 0.06%, nearly free compared to many actively managed funds. That means more money stays in your pocket. Smart rebalancing. Every year, SCHD removes weaker performers and replaces them with stronger dividend growers, keeping the portfolio fresh and stable. It's this discipline, not speculation, that has earned SCHD a loyal following. Let's get into the psychology. Why do investors keep buying SCHD? Even when the market is uncertain, SCHD continues to attract billions in new money every year. Here's why: trust and track record. During tough years like 2022, SCHD outperformed major indexes like the S&P 500. While many portfolios were down double digits, SCHD's losses were more modest. That kind of resilience builds trust. Predictable income: SCHD pays quarterly dividends, and they've grown every single year since launch. For retirees and long-term investors, that predictability is priceless. Simplicity: you don't need to analyze hundreds of stocks or rebalance constantly. SCHD does the work for you. For many investors, it's a set it and forget it solution. Community power. SCHD has developed a passionate community of long-term holders. You see people proudly sharing their SCHD income updates online, and that positive reinforcement keeps the momentum going. This isn't just an ETF anymore, it's become a symbol of consistent, disciplined investing. Now, let's talk numbers, because performance speaks louder than opinions. Over the last 10 years, SCHD has averaged around 11 to 12% annualized returns. That's right in line with, and sometimes better than, the S&P 500, but with less volatility. Its dividend yield sits around 3.7%, and the dividend growth has been exceptional, averaging 10% plus annually. Here's how SCHD stacks up against some popular competitors: VIME, higher number of holdings, but slower dividend growth. jePi, higher yield, but more complex and less growth-oriented. DGRO, solid growth, but SCHD's track record is stronger in total return. What makes SCHD unique is that it combines performance and peace of mind. You're not just getting income, you're getting stability and capital appreciation. Looking ahead, SCHD continues to be well positioned for the future. First, if interest rates start to decline, dividend ETFs could become more attractive again, driving new inflows. Second, the companies inside SCHD, like Broadcom, PepsiCo, and Home Depot, have strong balance sheets and pricing power. These businesses can continue growing dividends even in slower economies. Third, SCHD's annual rebalancing ensures that it adapts to changing conditions, replacing any laggards with stronger dividend performers. And finally, the investor mindset is shifting. More people are realizing that passive income and long-term consistency matter more than chasing meme stocks or short-term trades. SCHD fits perfectly into that new era of investing: steady, predictable, and proven. So, what's the real secret behind SCHD's success? It's not about hype, and it's not about timing the market. It's about quality, consistency, and compounding. SCHD rewards patience. It rewards discipline. And most importantly, it rewards investors who understand that wealth is built over decades, not days. If you're building a portfolio for financial freedom, SCHD deserves a serious look. Whether you're reinvesting dividends, building retirement income, or simply looking for a stable foundation, this ETF checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more ETF deep dives, and share this video with a fellow investor who loves dividend income as much as you do. Stay patient, stay consistent, and as always, happy investing.